Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, thanks so much for stopping by. Today's video is going to be a try-on haul, which I'm really excited to film for you guys. Yesterday, I was just kind of hanging out at Walmart, checking out the makeup, new home decor items, random little summer fun things. If you guys follow me on Instagram stories, then you know I've been finding lots of like just nifty everyday items at Walmart. I do think I need to make a highlight reel of the products that I've picked up. Many of you guys picked up my same little like water juggie that I keep talking about. I'm obsessed with it. So if you guys would be interested in seeing like a home decor version of this too, or not necessarily home decor, but I guess just random lifestyle products, definitely let me know down below. But this video is really exciting because it's in collaboration with Walmart, promoting their Here for Every Beauty campaign, which is amazing. It's all about inclusivity, just saying how everyone is welcome. There's shades, there's products, there's price points for everyone out there. A random little fun fact that I read is that 90% of Americans have a Walmart within a 10-mile radius of them. That is insanity to me. So if you do happen to be that 10% that doesn't live close by to a Walmart, you can always shop at walmart.com. When you spend $35 or more, you do qualify for free shipping, and I think there's even free 2-day shipping, which is always a plus. So if you're someone who doesn't like to shop in store, that's always a great option for you. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the kind of haul slash mini demo portion of this video. I really hope you guys enjoy. I don't know why I just clapped. It's habit. Let's get on with this. I'm sure this bag is going to be a pain and super noisy, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pull everything out now so we're not having to listen to this the whole video. All right, so the very first product that I'm going to start off with is from Garnier. This is the Soothing Facial Mist, 99% naturally derived ingredients. This one is with rose water. There was, I believe, a blue one and then a green one as well, which I'm pretty sure I've tried the original formula, but I haven't tried the rose, which I love rose water. So I thought this would be perfect for me. So I'm just gonna kind of use this almost like a primer water and just an additional hydration boost, because I do have one other product. Ooh, that smells good. It's not like overly strong. Sometimes you get that super like fake rose scent. This smells very just fresh and light. I think I'm gonna take that with me to Florida. This I didn't haul yesterday, but I've been testing it for about 3 to 5 days now. If you are looking for this in store, it doesn't just come in the bottle. It comes in a red box. I think I already trashed mine though. This is from the Revitalift line. It's their 1.5% pure hyaluronic acid. I love hyaluronic acid, especially for having dry skin. Even if you have oily skin, hyaluronic acid is amazing at just really hydrating and plumping your skin. This one is really nice because it's completely fragrance free, which I feel like is how all hyaluronic acids should be. I go all the way up under my eyes just to really get moisture in there, and I really just press it into my skin, especially here on my smile lines. Anywhere where I feel like my skin just looks like crepey or dehydrated, I love to just slather my skin in this. Now moving on to makeup. This is another product that I already had in my collection, but a friend came over and she was looking for some sort of illuminating base. She doesn't really use primers much, but she was wanting something just hydrating and that gave an additional glow. So I gave her my Lumi Glotion in Fair just because she's a lot more pale than me. I rave about these all the time. I have all 4 shades. I absolutely love them. And once I gave that one away, I was like, oh, but I want it back, just because I really like a lighter shade to really highlight onto the higher points of my cheeks. I'll even do some on my forehead, my chin, just anywhere that I would naturally highlight. But to be honest, half the time I end up slathering this all over my face anyways. I just love the additional illumination that it gives under my foundation. So instead of going straight to foundation, I'm going to do my eyes first. I was so excited to find this palette. I'm not quite sure how new this is. I haven't really seen it before. I'm thinking it's because this one was always sold out. I have seen the Sugar Rush palette, which is more like pinks and purples. Honestly, whenever I'm at Walmart, I would say Flower Beauty is the section that I spend the most time at. I just love looking over everything. I really want to do a full face of Flower Beauty. I kind of just want to go in and start deep right away and then blend it out with some of these yellow shades, kind of like a sunrise or sunrise. Yeah, sunrise. So I'm going to start off with this color here. Do I want this one or the orange one? Let's start off with this one. I'm just gonna pop, oh, wow. I don't think I've ever tried Flower Beauty shadows before. I know I've tried like their foundation, powders, blushes, lip products, but never their eyeshadows. I have to say, I'm already so impressed by this palette. I would be happy just to do like a monochromatic look with just one shadow blown all the way up from my lid to my crease. It is such a pretty shade. Do you want to try some of the yellow too? This matte yellow here. So let's go ahead and use the same large brush and just, ooh, it looks like it's going to be pigmented. Just a tiny bit kind of on the edges. just to create that really pretty sunrise effect. Oh, why did it take me so long to try this palette? This is so pretty. Okay, and then for the outer corner, I think I'm gonna take the deepest shade in the palette. I do wanna use a different brush for that, just so I can really kind of pack the color on. Just picking up a little bit of that and really just pressing it onto the outer corner. Maybe do outer and inner corner. I don't know, yeah, let's just go outer and inner corner. And then we'll do a metallic in the center. I'm just gonna dab a tiny bit of concealer first. I'm just gonna pick up that gold and let's just use that same Garnier mist just to mist the brush a bit. And I'll just pack him on right here. Such a pretty like punchy yellow gold. I'm digging it. For foundation, yesterday I picked up the L'Oreal Infallible up to 24-hour fresh wear. I realize this isn't brand new, but it's still a pretty new drugstore foundation. I actually picked up another one while I was there too that I plan on doing a foundation wear test. This chair that I'm sitting on is one of those like fake plastic type of ghost chair things. I'm wearing shorts and I'm like sticking to it. It's very humid and hot here. So if you're hearing noises, it's just my thighs on the chair. So I really wasn't sure which shade to pick up. So I went with 𝗟𝗘𝗧'𝗦. What's the actual name of this though? I don't think it's on there. It does come with a pump, which I love. Ooh, I think I'm gonna like this. It looks really nice and runny. So I'm just gonna bounce. Oh, look, do you see that? It made like the perfect heart in the sponge. That's so cute. I feel like that was lucky. Hopefully today's gonna be a good day. All right, and I'm just going to bounce this right into the skin. If you have yet to try the Flower Beauty sponge, you must. It's like the pillowiest, softest sponge ever. I absolutely love it. I had watched someone's review of this and they had said that it was like super full coverage and matte. And so I was kind of like staying away for a while because I don't really like matte foundations. I would say this is definitely more of like a natural finish though. But then my friend Laura was telling me that she loved it. And we normally like, sometimes we don't agree like on the coverage of foundations, but normally like the finish, we both like the same sort of just healthy, luminous, natural type of foundations. And this is definitely that. Oh, I love the finish of this. It is so pretty. So here's a close-up of how it looks on the skin. I'm really curious to try it with a blurring primer next time, just to see if it like adds some more smoothness. But I have to say it feels completely weightless on my skin, which I love, especially this time of the year whenever it's really just humid and muggy out. I'm not wanting anything heavy on my face. And while I was at Walmart yesterday, I called Keegan just to make sure. I was like, I need you to go check my highlight drawer and see if there's this Maybelline highlighter. I was sending him pictures. It took forever. Honestly, by that point, I should have just bought it. And then if I had it, I could have returned it easily. But luckily, I did still have it in my drawer. This is one of my favorite drugstore highlighters. So I thought I would go ahead and whip this out for the tutorial. Try on haul. This is from Maybelline. It's one of their Master Chrome Face Studio highlighters. And this one is in Molten Gold. This is so beautiful and my perfect shade of highlighter. I love more of like a champagne-y gold rather than like a stark yellow gold. So this one is perfect. And I'm actually gonna go ahead and mist again. I love the scent of this. It's not like your typical rose smell. It's almost like, I don't know, just like a really fresh, like crisp rose water. It's so nice. So I'm just gonna take some of this and I'm gonna go really light. I don't want like a super strong highlighter today. The very final product that I picked up is one from Milani, which I haven't purchased anything from Milani in a while. I saw these like squeeze tube highlighters that I really want to try. If you guys have tried those out and they're good, definitely let me know down below. This is one of the Milani Keep It Full Nourishing Lip Plumpers. I got mine in the shade 8 Soft Rose. I want to say there was 7 or 8 shades, and I think this was under $8. Let's see, $7.97. So let's go ahead and give this guy a whirl. Ooh, it has one of those like large doe foot applicators. Does it have, it kind of has like a slight peppermint scent. I guess I did not need a lip liner because this is freaking pigmented. Holy cow. I didn't think they were gonna be like this. While I do love this color, it doesn't go with this eye look, so I'm gonna have to change it, but I can already tell this is going to be promoted to a purse lip gloss. It's getting like tinglier by the minute. I think this might be a good dupe for the buxom ones. It just has that really nice minty feeling, and they're so pigmented. There was a deeper, like warmer nude shade. I should have got that instead. I didn't realize how cool tone this was gonna be. Although I think it looks even more cool because I have such a warm eye on. So let me go ahead and quickly change my lip. As you can see, I went ahead and swapped out my lip. Now I'm wearing the Maybelline lipstick in the shade Spice For Me. Pretty sure these are under $6 at Walmart. So here is the final look. Let me know if you guys would like to see more of these try-on hauls. I feel like I purchase a lot of drugstore makeup here and there, but then I never do a haul because I'm like, oh, it's only 1 or 2 things. But I feel like I would be better doing hauls if I did them like this, try-on hauls, rather than just showing the product quickly, just doing quick little demos. It doesn't have to be a full-on tutorial, but just kind of demoing the products that I picked up. So if you did enjoy this video, I'd really appreciate it if you gave it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye.